Imagine a world where you can compose an email, play a video game, or control a robotic prosthetic limb simply by thinking about it. This isn't science fiction. Brain-computer interface technology, or BCI, is rapidly bridging the gap between our neurons and digital hardware. Today, we'll explore how these devices are moving from clinical trials into our daily lives and what this means for human evolution. At its core, a BCI acts as a bridge, translating electrical brain signals into actionable digital commands. Companies Neuralink and Synchron are already testing high-bandwidth implants that allow users to move computer cursors or operate software with mind. Controlled precision. While early iterations are designed for medical recovery, helping paralyzed individuals regain independence, the end goal is broader. These interfaces decode the complex patterns of our neural firing, turning raw electrical data into precise outputs. We're moving from primitive brain wave monitoring to high-speed, direct neural translation. You might assume that direct brain implants are the only way forward, but the most counterintuitive breakthrough is non-invasive. Researchers are developing high-resolution wearable headsets that use advanced sensors to read signals through the skull without surgery. These devices are becoming smarter, using sophisticated AI models to filter out neural noise, essentially cleaning up your thoughts for the computer to understand. This democratization of the tech means that in the near future, we won't need a medical diagnosis to access neural augmentation. We might just wear it to improve our cognitive focus. As these interfaces evolve, we face the prospect of cognitive outsourcing, where the cloud becomes an extension of our own working memory. By linking our brains directly to AI, we could theoretically retrieve information or perform complex calculations at the speed of thought. But how do we protect our most private data once it leaves our physical bodies? In the next section, we'll uncover the massive cybersecurity risks that come with turning your brain into an internet-connected device. The future of BCI is not just about medical utility, it's about fundamentally redefining the limits of human cognition and interaction. We're moving toward a reality where digital tools are no longer external devices, but seamless extensions of our neural architecture. If you found this glimpse into our digital future fascinating, please hit the button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world. Do you think mind-controlled devices will ultimately liberate us or compromise our privacy? Share your thoughts in the comments below.